What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to use Trader Lens on Autosnipe.AI. Also, if you guys want to save up on trading fees, you can use my partnered link from the description to create a new account and get 10% lifetime trading fee discount. So in this case, how do we exactly do so? Well, the first thing that you want to do here is you want to go to Autosnipe.ai and you want to log in into your account. Now, from Autosnipe.ai here, there are going to be different options like access here. But in order for you to access Trader Lens here, is you want to go to the tabs that we see here. So first is going to be the top pairs, which is the default UI that you'll be seeing here. But we also have Trader Lens, which is fairly new, which is it was recently added here on Autosnipe.ai. So let's go ahead and click on it and access the following page. Now, the thing with Trader Lens here is from the name itself, it actually gives you like a lens type of thing that you could use to see how a wallet or someone or a trader is performing within the platform itself. Now, if you do have their address, you can just basically copy that, paste it in here. So let's go ahead and paste an address that maybe I want to check and click on Analyze Address. It's going to do the analysis. So once it's ready, you can go and click on View Analysis and view the information about that specific trader or wallet or account. So it should have information about the current balance of their wallet or their account, their total assets value, their performance, so the total P&L and win rate here, and the investment, the realized gains, unrealized gains, net profit, fees paid. They also show the trade activity here, how many buys, how many sells, and average information on this one. You also have the token performance here, so the lost, the gains, and a lot more. And also, if you want to see or view the recent trade insights here, like they didn't sell and the snipes, you should be able to see that in here. So basically, this is about their account, so how they are performing. But you also have the activate copy trading option. So if you do click on it, it should open up the following option here, which in this case, you should be able to set up your parameters and basically specify a few things. You go and click on activate copy trading here. But then again, I would suggest you to first read about copy trading before doing so. But yeah, so that's how you use Trader Lens, and that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.